Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix League of Legends. There was an unexpected error with your login session. So what you want to do is, if you see the screen, press Alt and F4 and then click Exit, click Sign Out. Once you have signed out, let it open this. Now you close this. The next task you do is right click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. In here, type in L, type in League. If there's nothing League, close any window that is like League related, and then type in Riot, and then close in Riot Client. You can leave the Vanguard open. So the next thing you want to do is head over to the View Network Connections. Open that. Once you're in here, find your Ethernet, double click on it, click Properties, go to Internet Protocol version 4, double click on it, click Use the following DNS server addresses, and type in here 8888, and the alternative is 8844. Click OK, click OK. Close this, and then try relaunching League of Legends again. If that doesn't help, what you can do is type in run CMD and then run it as an administrator. Once you're in here, type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Press enter, it will flush the DNS. Next thing you want to do is you want to type in, after this you type in net sh space winsock space reset. Press enter. Now you'll have to restart your PC for it to take effect. It will reset your winsock, and here's the last thing you can try. It might be related, might not be, but you can open search, type in run. In run you type in services.msc and then you click OK. It will pop up a window. In here, click on anything once and then press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. Once you open this, the startup type will be set to manual. You want to change it to automatic. Once you change it to automatic, click apply. Okay, actually apply and then click start. Once it's started, click OK, close this, and then relaunch League of Legends again. I've relaunched the League of Legends. Click play. And that's it. It works. Hopefully this video helps. Comment down below. Subscribe if it helped. Comment down below if it did work. If it didn't, then type if you have any other solution. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.